You know, there's a real difference between just looking good and looking lethal. And I don't mean that in a scary way. I mean it in the way a top model or movie star does. It's not just that they're attractive, it's that they command a room without even trying. They walk in, and the light just seems to find them. Their features catch your eye before their words ever do. Their movements are slow, measured, no wasted energy, no rush. They've got sharp lines, calm eyes, and the stillness. Nothing about them feels frantic. Every detail feels intentional. But here's what most guys miss. We chase the wrong thing. We obsess over jawline, symmetry, and skincare routines that cost more than rent. We buy products, not present. We copy trends instead of learning control. Because looking lethal has nothing to do with genetics. It's about energy. It's about building this quiet illusion of power. The kind of face that doesn't need attention, but still gets it. So if you're ready to build that, no filters, no surgery, no fake flexing, let's do it. Let's create the version of you that walks into any space and instantly shifts the atmosphere. Step 1, master the quiet expression. This is where everything begins. Most guys overexpress. They smile too big. Their eyebrows are constantly raised. Their faces move like cartoons. But the truth? Real presence comes from stillness. Watch any top model. They don't need to do much. Their eyes aren't wide. They're calm and focused. Their jaw is relaxed but solid. Their lips sit naturally, just slightly parted, like they're holding a secret. That's power, because stillness makes people lean in. It makes them wonder what's behind that calm. Try this tonight. Stand in front of your mirror. Drop your shoulder. Relax your eyebrows. Unclench your jaw. Part your lips a little. Now just look at yourself. Don't fix. Don't judge. Just observe. Hold that still, neutral face for 10 seconds. Breathe slowly. At first, it'll feel weird because you're not used to calm. But soon, that expression will become natural. And once it does, people start feeling your energy without you even speaking. That's when you start looking dangerously composed. Step 2, learn the power of light. Lighting is your secret weapon. Most people never even think about it. You can have perfect features, but under the wrong light, you'll look average. And you can have an ordinary face, but in the right light, suddenly, you look like a magazine cover. It's because light sculpts. It defines your edges, creates shadow, and builds depth. Front light, like your phone's flash, flattens your face. Safe, but boring. Top light creates mystery and depth, giving your eyes intensity. Side light, that's the magic one. It shapes your jawline, carves your cheekbones, and brings structure to your entire face. So when you're taking photos on video calls or just chilling near a window, notice how light hits you. Turn your head slightly away from it. Let one side of your face fade into shadow. That shadow isn't hiding you, it's sculpting you. You're training the light to respect your structure. Step 3, stay calm, stay lethal. Your face is a mirror of your mind. Every twitch, every micro expression reveals what's going on inside. And when you lose control emotionally, your face gives it away. But the calmest man in the room always holds power. He doesn't rush to respond. He doesn't react to every jab or compliment. He observes, then decides it's even worth reacting to. That's lethal energy. Next time someone says something triggering, don't flinch. Don't let your eyebrows rise or your mouth tighten. Stay still. That moment of control speaks louder than any comeback ever could. People remember calm men because they can't read them. And when people can't read you, they start respecting you. Step 4, clean edges, clean energy. This one's physical, but it's deeper than it looks. Our brains link clean edges with discipline and dominance. A tidy beard, a sharp fade, well-groomed brows, all signal control. You don't have to be obsessive, just consistent. Keep your neckline sharp. Match your sideburns to your haircut. Clean up stray hairs. It's like trimming chaos off your face. When everything is neat and defined, your jawline looks stronger, your cheeks look leaner, and your whole vibe says, I've got my life handled. Even if your features aren't perfect, clean grooming makes them appear stronger. That's illusion. An illusion is part of presence. Step 5, your skin is a canvas. You can't look polished if your canvas is rough. Healthy glow make your face look more structured without effort. That's because smooth surfaces reflect light better, making you look sharp, awake, and controlled. So, your skincare doesn't need to be fancy, just consistent. A gentle cleanser, niacinamide, exfoliate twice a week, moisturize every morning and night. And never skip sunscreen. When your skin is hydrated, light bounces off it cleanly, emphasizing your features. When it's dull or dry, the light scatters, and all your definition gets lost. You're not chasing beauty, you're chasing clarity. Step 6. Create structure, even if you don't have it. You don't need model bone structure, you just need visual contrast. If your face is soft or rounder, you can still create that sculpted illusion. Keep your body fat low to hollow out the cheeks slightly. Trim your beard to shape natural shadows under your jawline. If you're clean shaven, you can even use a subtle bronzer to add definition, just enough to create depth, not makeup level. It's about enhancing what's already there, not faking something new. Remember, every cinematic face you've ever seen, it's just light and shadow playing tricks. You're the artist. Your face is the canvas. Step 7. Eyes that speak without words. This one's everything. Your eyes tell your whole story. Watch any high fashion campaign. Models don't smirk or exaggerate. Their eyes do all the work. They stay still, focused, steady, like they're reading your soul, not reacting to your energy. That's what you want to channel. When you talk to someone, hold eye contact a little longer than usual. Not aggressive, not staring, just steady. That pause builds tension, the good kind. The kind that says, I'm not nervous, I'm just observing. People remember that kind of energy. It's rare. It's the look that says, I'm here, I'm sure. Step 8. Posture frames the face. A strong face can't sit on weak posture. Try this right now. Slouch your shoulders and drop your chin. Watch how your neck disappears. Your jaw softens. Your energy drops. Now straighten up. Pull your shoulders back. Lift your chin slightly. Instant difference. Your posture doesn't just change how you look. It changes how you feel. When you carry yourself upright, you send a signal to everyone watching and to yourself that you're in command. Your face tightens, your jawline sharpens, your eyes lift. The frame always decides how the picture looks. Step 9. Don't chase perfect. Chase precision. You'll never have a flawless face. No one does. But you can have precision. Precision means knowing your angle. It means understanding how light hits you best, what expression makes you magnetic, what hairstyle fits your face shape. Every effortlessly good-looking person you see has studied themselves. You should too. Take photos from different angles. Experiment with side light, front light, even top light. Study your best side and use it. Precision builds awareness, and awareness builds control. And control? That's what separates a guy who looks good from a guy who looks lethal. Step 10. The silent weapon. Stillness. In a world where everyone's shouting, the man who's silent becomes the loudest. Stillness is your secret weapon. It's the pause before you speak. The unbothered look when everyone else is reacting. The slight smirk when you know something others don't. Stillness radiates self-respect. It says, I don't need to prove anything. I already know who I am. And when you reach that point, when your face, your posture, and your energy are all aligned, that's when people stop seeing just your looks and start feeling your presence. That's the true meaning of a lethal face. Because it's not about being born with it. It's about earning it through control, discipline, and awareness. So the next time you look in a mirror, don't just check your jawline. Check your calm. Check your energy. Check your stillness. Because that's what turns a regular face into a face people never forget.